going to show you how to sew a button with your sewing machine. Your sewing machines will come with this. This is a buttonhole. I'm sorry. This is a button foot. And then it will come with something like this, a darning plate. So you're going to go ahead and place this onto your sewing machine. You see, it has 2 holes over here. Your sewing machine has some 2 holes over here. So you're going to go ahead and push it through. Okay. So you're going to go ahead and attach your button foot this way. This blue part will be facing this way, and this other part will be facing at the front. At the back. All right. Then you're going to go ahead and switch your stitch length all the way to 0. Do you hear that sound? That put it all the way to 0. Then we are going to go ahead and put this to a zigzag stitch. Then you want to go ahead and lay your fabric. Then you're going to get your button. So my button has 4 buttonholes, but I'll show you how I'll sew all of them together. You're going to go ahead and place our button over here. Then we are going to go ahead and check to see if our zigzag can go in between. So it's kind of a little bit wide. I'm going to take it in a little bit, still wide. So you're going to play with it until you get the perfect zigzag between the holes, and then you're going to just go ahead and sew. Then I'll lift it up, kind of push it to the back so that I can get the back part too. Then lift it and take it out. That is it. Alright, so make sure you play with this. The reason we push this to 0 is for it to not be able to move. Do you know how we'd be sewing our fabric and it'd be going backwards? So when we push it to 0, it don't move, it stays in one place. It makes it able to stitch back and forth on each button, on each hole. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, share, leave a comment. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. See you next time. Love you. Bye bye.